Hey everyone, it's Jared here, and we are into the 4th lesson in my fastest way to get faster series. Now this one's called Do You Even Math? And I was a terrible math student. I pretty much failed math, but I promise we're not gonna really get into anything too complex. Now the first lesson is played as 16th notes, and it's in 2/4. It's just 2 groups of 16th notes, 2 in the snare, 2 in the high tom, 2 in the mid tom, 2 in the floor tom. If you don't have a mid tom, just play your ride there instead. All right, this is how it sounds, both slow and fast speeds. In the next exercise, we go from groups of 2, what we just did, into groups of 4. So we're playing 4 on the snare, 4 on the high tom, 4 on the mid tom, 4 on the floor tom. Now as you start playing this exercise in sequence, you're going to notice when you get to your floor tom and go right, left, that your right hand needs to get over here quite quickly. At the slower tempos, it's not that challenging, but once you get it to the faster tempos, like 180 or higher, you're going to notice that there's a bit of a traffic jam. So be careful, go up slowly in increments of 5 beats per minute so you don't bash your hand or hurt yourself. Here it is, play it at both slow and fast speeds. And the third exercise is also in 16th notes, but now we're going to play it in groups of 6. Okay, so groups of 6 played as 16th notes. It's a little bit funky, but I don't think you'll have a problem with it. It's in 6/4 time signature, meaning that there's 6 quarter notes in the bar, and we're just playing 6 16th notes on each drum. And the final exercise is actually 2 bars, and it's played with 8 notes on each drum. So 8 on the snare, 8 on the high tom, 8 on the mid tom, and 8 on the floor tom. So let me play this for you, both slow and fast speeds. Now all these exercises played individually, they sound great, and it's something I want you to work on individually because that really gets you comfortable with your drum set. That gets you moving fluidly around the drums, and it's kind of like an exercise routine, Forget about aerobics, forget about yoga, all that kind of stuff. Just play drums and, lose weight, get healthy, right? So what I like to do is play them in sequence. So 2, 4, 6, and 8. Who do we appreciate? Mr. Kyle and Mr. Taylor over there in the room. That's who I appreciate. All right, guys, let's play this in sequence, both slow and fast speeds. Wish me luck. Now I want you to practice each of these patterns for 5 minutes. Then I want you to practice them in sequence for 10 minutes, and that is your speed building routine for the day. Start at a tempo that you're comfortable with, so 60 or 70 beats per minute, and then just increase it 5 or 10 BPM each time as you just really get comfortable with that pattern. So thanks for watching. Now get your butt on your kit and do some work. That's what it's gonna take. It's gonna take actual, real work to get faster. See you later.